welcome back to Max's Adventures. How are you today? So you can now see me. I'm filming on my computer here. I've got my headphones on and I'm ready to fly in. Let me just get it up for you. In a plane, a Navy plane. Maybe also a fighter jet plane. Maybe planes that go 18 meters a half. Of course, it's a Blue Angels. So we are gonna fly the Blue Angels in LA today. I'm so excited. Let's jump straight into it. Right. So I am going to select where we could depart. Oh, actually, I don't need to do that. Just set Los Angeles International. Fly. Let's do it. So once again, I am using a new software called OBS Studio. It's completely free. Sorry about that. And it is very good. I have to be honest. So I'm just gonna get my webcam up because you don't really want to see this one that's loaded. So yeah, it's very good. Once again, we're going to be flying the Blue Angels. I'm looking at my screen and then also looking at a little webcam. So yeah. So yeah, it's OBS Studios. It's really good, completely free. Good for pros and not pros like me. So yeah, let's get straight into it. This is taking way longer than it should do. Come on, little boy. Let's do this. If it loads. Hey, right. Where's my mouse? Ah! Oh, there. Cool. Nice. So we are going to check out this plane. Look at this plane. It's cool, isn't it? Okay. So we are going to check rudder. There we go. Check elevator. There we go. And we're going to check radar. There we go. Oh no, wait, what? Oh, it sometimes does this. It's really annoying. Where the throttle actually doesn't work. That wasn't very fitting timing, was it? Yeah, but it sometimes does this where the throttle actually doesn't work, which is quite weird, I have to be honest, but yeah. So like I said on I'm not sure when it was actually, but I did say that this in the description of the last video that this series will probably never end. It will probably just be an ongoing series forever. There's light. Engine's not working! This guy wants one. Yeah, sorry about this, guys. So we've now been filming for 3 minutes. First 3 minutes of my PC thing. Alright, press B, park and brake. Show you the screen. Come on, Buckle. Oh, right, I'm gonna go back to the main menu. I'm gonna go back to main menu now and see if that works. Right. So I will be doing a stream. I won't be talking tomorrow, but I will be doing a stream tomorrow. Yeah. So if you look on the loading screen, we actually have or not. Okay. Right. Now I've completely restarted it. It should work. So hopefully it works this time. Yeah. You're not going to see my webcam now. You will see it. You know. So that is the loading screen. We've got Boeing 787 right there. Cool. So I am going to put my webcam on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's dramatic. Right. Nude. Are you actually kidding? Alright. Cool. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Cool. Taking way longer than it should do again. Hey, it worked.
Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra ready at runway 25 right straight out departure.
Let's try. Okay. Right, so I'm gonna release the button. Oh wait, no, I don't want to be on that. Right, gonna release. It always does it, so you only have to do that, and it's a bit weird. But it's working! Right, so I'm gonna get rid of that agency. We're gonna get rid of it. And yeah.
Going X-ray Golf Sierra, leaving my airspace frequency change approved.
How's that look? Cool guys. Oh my god. No! Oh my god. Sorry, I'll have this. Everything's going wrong today, isn't it? Come on.
Skywest 3377
Hey, thank
heavy
you.
follow the Airbus A20N on final. Wind calm caution the Airbus A20N landing runway 25 left. Clear to land runway 25 right. Los Angeles Tower, Boeing Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra frequency change. SoCal approach Boeing Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra is type Boeing 1 miles southwest
So
of
I
Los
am in
Angeles,
multiplayer.
3,600
So
feet.
you won't be able to join me.
Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Not too sure what time yet.
X-ray Golf Sierra SoCal approach.
Yes! It will probably be
0317.
around
Squawk
9-ish.
0317, Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra.
9-ish tomorrow.
Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra radar
GMT
contact 2 miles
time.
southwest of Los Angeles, 300 feet. Clear to the Bravo airspace.
Sorry, it's very good.
Maintain on navigation.
So obviously, this is a mess around flying. I'm not expecting
Clear
you
to
to
the Bravo
expect
airspace, Boeing X-ray Golf
yeah.
Sierra. Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra, you're leaving my airspace
I'm just
radar
gonna let
service
you have a
terminated.
bit
Squawk 1200. Frequency change approved.
got my face, but
Squawk
Ooh,
1200. Frequency change approved. Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra. SoCal approach Boeing Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra is type Boeing 3 miles north of Torrance, 600 feet. Request flight following.
Boeing Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra SoCal approach. Squawk 4142.
Squawk 4142, Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra.
okay, cool.
Boeing X-ray
Nice.
Golf Sierra radar contact 4 miles east of
So,
Torrance,
once
1,400
again,
feet.
I'll give you some
Altimeter 2,
research
9.9
facts
decimal
about
niner
blue angels, so they can fly up to 80
Roger, Boeing
meters
X-ray Golf
close.
Sierra.
Very close.
Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra contact SoCal approach on 125
Well, obviously,
decimal
they
feet.
are in the Navy, which is quite surprising. Trying to crash. Oh, I forgot.
125 decimal tree
Sorry, guys.
bus, Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra.
Look at that.
Goodbye.
So,
SoCal approach
No
Boeing
glitch
Alpha
on me.
Sierra X-ray Golf
no glitch
Sierra.
on me,
600
please!
feet.
My game's glitching.
Boeing Alpha
Stop
Sierra X-ray Golf
glitching!
Sierra SoCal approach altimeter 2,
Please stop
9 decimal niner 2 radar contact
Stop
continue.
glitching. Stop glitching.
Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra contact
Oh.
SoCal approach on 133 decimal 8
Yeah,
flight.
my computer's
Good
glitching.
day.
It always does that. It always
Point
cuts me.
133 decimal 85, Boeing
Anyway.
X-ray Golf Sierra.
Now we stop glitching.
SoCal approach Boeing
Yeah,
Alpha Sierra
yeah,
X-ray Golf
stop.
Sierra, 2,200
Oh,
feet.
somewhere.
Boeing Alpha
Yay.
Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra
There we
SoCal
go.
approach altimeter 29 decimal niner
So we
2
could
radar
really get
contact
some altitude sort of looking quite a bit
Calling
like.
Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf
Head
Sierra
straight
Los
up.
Angeles Central
Or we could decide to do this.
Contact continue.
Los Angeles
I
Center,
wouldn't like
Boeing
this.
Alpha Sierra, X-ray Golf Sierra. Request
I'm
clearance to
literally
transition
putting right
Bravo
up my
airspace.
heating right now. I was not
Calling
expecting
Alpha
that
Sierra
to happen.
X-ray
We're
Golf
still
Sierra
so
Los
low, it's
Angeles Center.
60,000 feet in the air. How did that happen? Wait, wait, I'm gonna turn
Clear
this
to
on.
Bravo airspace, Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra.
I'm genuinely confused how that happened.
Calling X-ray Golf Sierra, you're leaving my airspace.
Let's check that.
Resume home navigation. Contact SoCal approach on 133.85. Good day.
We're at the sound barrier.
Exigent 634 contact Los Angeles Center
Don't
on
glitch.
134.575.
Please,
Good
don't
day.
glitch. I'm gonna get
Going
the
to
map up.
133.85, Boeing X-ray Golf Sierra.
Don't
SoCal
glitch
approach
on
Boeing
me.
Alpha Sierra,
Okay,
X-ray
so
Golf
if you look
Sierra, 1,300
there, that's
feet.
gonna be a fun.
Calling
Alpha Sierra
We
X-ray
only
Golf
put our
Sierra
landing
SoCal
gear
approach
down.
altimeter 29.9 radar
Thank
contact.
you.
Continue.
Let's see, we're going
Golf Sierra
quick,
contact
so I need to
SoCal
cut
approach
fuel.
on 125.2. Good day.
See what that does for us.
SoCal approach Boeing Alpha Sierra,
Right.
X-ray Golf Sierra.
Hopefully my landing.
Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Hopefully my landing is a bit better than last time. Because you all know how that went. Not very good. Alright.
Clear to Bravo airspace, Boeing X-ray Golf
So
Sierra.
we are now about half the sound, half the block. As you can see, it's down here. TRM. Yeah, TRSB. So we are now relatively slow. A reasonable speed to land at LAX. Sorry about that. So we should. Let's hope this landing goes good. I am actually okay at landing fighter jets. I don't think I'm good at landing. I mean, I'm not bad at landing fighter jets. I'm not the worst, but I've never actually landed one when I only got it today, so this might be good. Right. Just want to give some shout outs out. I'm going to shout out and make sure you go and check them out, they're really good. Ethan, here's my friend. I saw him today. From that. Yeah. Was that a fun? Look, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Just keep that in mind. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, okay? But I mean, it's better than the last time I recorded the video. You were just looking at that with very bad audio. It was honestly the worst audio I think I've ever had in my life. So I watched it back and it was so bad. So hopefully this is a bit better. So I really hope so. I can see all my stuff. So I've got a bottom screen below the screen that you're looking at. I have my actual computer. In my actual computer, I am using it for OBS, so I can access all that. The chip do have monitors and a similar setup to mine. Right, so we're going to try and landing. Right, let's hope this goes well. I don't know where be question today. We want to stay roughly around above 200 knots. All I'm going to say is enjoy the landing. I just noticed I had my mouth on mute that whole time. But we landed. We landed. We landed. Sorry about the mute mic situation there. That was all my fault. But we're here. We're here. I'm so happy that we're here. Yes! So if you did like this video, please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. I'm so happy that we landed our fighter jet.